You won't believe this one. Joe Bogdanovich, the mastermind behind Vybz Kartel's first concert post-prison, is stepping in to help a devoted fan get the best seat in the house. Here's the scoop. A die-hard fan, who goes by the name Shad's Dads, is doing whatever it takes to be front and center for the concert at the National Stadium on December 31st. When ticket prices for the event were announced, Shads didn't waste any time. She launched a GoFundMe campaign with a cheeky little note saying, "Just a long-time Gaza girl trying to get her center stage ticket for Freedom Street." The center stage package isn't cheap, though. $1,500 for a drink-inclusive experience right in the thick of the action. In just 5 hours, Shads raised an impressive $915 from 8 donors. And guess what? $200 of that came from none other than Joe Bogdanovich himself. That's right, the event organizer is putting his money where his mouth is. With this kind of support, Shads is now determined to hit that $1,500 mark by morning. Shads, who runs a balloon decor business, has been a vocal supporter of Kartel's freedom for years, sharing her journey and commitment on Instagram. She's just one of 37 fans who have started campaigns to fund their way to the concert, but hers is by far the most popular. And of course, the internet has plenty to say about it. Some fans are cheering her on with comments like, "Closed mouths don't get fed. I respect it, LOL." Meanwhile, others are rolling their eyes, wondering, is it really that deep? There's no way. And then there are the jokers who are hoping she'll be sensible if she hits the goal. LOL. Hope when she gets the 15 bills, she buys a bleachers ticket and pockets the rest. Oh, and let's not forget the darker jokes circling around. Some are just glad she didn't go to the extreme of selling a body organ, something that's become a running joke for every big-name artist performance in Jamaica. For those of you itching to snag your tickets, they officially go on sale at 3 a.m. Jamaica time on August 31st. Scatabarel, the co-organizer, even shared the purchase link on his Instagram. And if you're feeling extra fancy, there are cabana packages up for grabs too. Here's the rundown on the Tier 1 ticket prices. Bleachers, $125. Grandstand, $300. Infield, $400. Center stage, $1,500. Cycle track, $10,000. Now it's your turn. What do you think about this GoFundMe move? Is it a brilliant way to secure a spot? Or are we going a bit too far for concert tickets? Would you ever fundraise for a ticket to see your favorite artist? Or do you think it's all just hype? Let us know in the comments below.